Hello everyone and welcome to AngryFly, and today in this YouTube video I will be telling you guys how to get a girl to like you. I know many guys are confused about what to do to make a girl to like them, because they assume that girls feel attracted to guys for the same reason that guys feel attracted to girls. But that's not how it is. I tell you what happens. You guys think that it's all about looks. While it's true that a girl can feel attracted to a guy's looks, but majority of girls feel much more attraction to other things about guys. Example, his confidence, his charm, his humor. See guys, looks are important only to some girls. Some girls place a lot of importance on how a guy looks, but majority of girls don't. This is why you always see so many ordinary, plain and even ugly guys with beautiful girlfriends or wife. So how did they get the girl to like them? Simple, he made her feel attracted to him for a reason other than his looks. But it doesn't end here. So in this video I will be telling you guys things that you can do to get a girl to like you. So now let's get started with the video. So the first and the most important thing is that you need to talk to her, right? So start talking to her, as you can't make her fall for you if you just don't know her or you don't talk to her. So be her friend. Girls don't fall for random strangers. Well, some do, but these relationships never go very far. What you got to remember here is that conversation is not going to fall into your lap. You need to make them happen. So try to sit next to her in a class. Comment on something that she is wearing as you pass her in the hall. It doesn't have to be deep. Be natural. Just get her interested in talking to you. Or if you're in the same lecture as her, every time she walks in the room, smile and wave at her. Sometimes this is all it takes for a young woman to notice you. At the same time though, don't do this too often. It will just end up looking as if you're obsessed with her. Here are some of the conversation starters. That last class was so boring. What are you planning to write about for the paper next week? Okay, so once you're done with this and now you both are friends, start with all these other points. So the second most important thing that you need to do now is that make fun of yourself. Women love to laugh and always rate sense of humor at the top of their list. So yes, to have a great sense of humor is one of the most attractive trait a man can have. I know, many of you guys are not good with jokes, but we all guys are good with stupid stuff, aren't we? So just do whatever stupid thing you can do. Maybe you can dance like Charlie like he does in the song How Long. I mean, seriously, that was funny. And that is exactly what you need to do. Just make fun of yourself and the girl you need will fall for you. Remember, just be yourself and not someone you're not. So now coming on to the next one, that is tease her. Many times our first instinct may be to hold back when it comes to teasing the girl if she does something stupid. But that can backfire and make you appear dull. Look, you need to tease her and pull her legs every now and then when she slips or does something funny. What that does is that it creates more personal memories and will help you get closer to her. Also, don't be afraid to disagree with her over things like her taste in music and stuff like that. Look, what that does is that, it will create the conversation into something playful and flirtatious. So if she is laughing and having fun in a conversation, she will feel much more relaxed and will more likely to be attracted to you. Remember, just be positive with your teasing and just don't overdo it. So now coming on to the next one, that is don't flirt and tell but compliment. Now it's time to show her that you are interested in her. And the best way to show her that you are interested in her is by complimenting her. By saying, for example, I like your shirt. Tell her that she is beautiful or that she has nice eyes. Girls like to feel pretty, so make sure you compliment her. If it's her shirt or amazing eyes, it will make her feel better about herself. The most important thing here is that don't be cheesy with your compliments. Stay away from cheesy lines like, are you a magician because whenever I look at you, everyone else disappears. I mean, look guys, this is the most stupid thing you can do to get a girl to like you. The reason these cheesy lines never work is that they don't sound natural. Look guys, be genuine when you compliment a girl. She will be more flattered and will appreciate your compliment. See guys, studies have shown that not only does flirting help in dating department, but flirting and being able to do it well are far more effective than your excessive good looks. So if you want to master the art of flirting, make sure you watch this video I made on how to flirt the right way. You can click on this I button or the link in the description. So now coming on to the next one, that is make a girl feel special. This is the most important thing of all. You have to show her that you treat her special than any other girl. So don't smooth talk all the girls you meet. If you want to make a girl to like you need to stop to be a serial flirter. Do you have a friend who flirts with every single girl he meets, even if there are 2 or more girls at the same time? Now, his flirting abilities may be a gift to die for, but when you publicly flirt with every single friend or girl you meet, you are not treating any girl any different from the other. All the girls may end up assuming that you are just a serial flirter who just flirts with all his friends. So it's important that you don't be that guy, because this will kill your game. Also, don't be afraid to talk to other women in her presence. Show her that she has competition, but at the same time treat her just a little bit more special than you do other girls. So now coming on to the next step, that is break the touch barrier. One of the simplest ways to start leveling up your social game is with touch. Breaking the touch barrier can rapidly increase the intimacy between you and the woman you are talking to. Look guys, there is lot of power in that touch, and being the guy that she has a physical connection with can make all the difference in the world when it comes to getting her to like you. What's wrong here is that sometimes men are afraid how they will cross this line when it comes to touching a woman. There are 2 keys to making sure that you are touching the right way, and they both are very simple. First is that you want to be touching in a playful way, that is while in a conversation. And the second one is you need to be touching her in safe areas, that includes upper back, shoulder, arm and hands. I will give you a seriously important tip here, and that is girls feel touch more sensitive than most men. So make sure your touching is light. Also, if you see any signs of discomfort, just stop right there. So if you are successful with all these things, then by that time you will get a girl to like you. Look, if she still doesn't like you, just move on rather than wasting time on her. Just remember, be you, and if she can't accept that, there is somebody out there a million times better who can. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped you guys, and if it did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Also, if you want more of such videos, consider subscribing.